Hey, this is John at Night Custom Conversions. We just had a bit of an expansion, so I thought you might want to have a look around. Here we go. Follow me. So this is a nice Sportline Black Edition. We've just finished off with a Prestige Tourer conversion. And we've got a nice 204 DSG 4Motion LVR body kit. And another Sportline Black Edition. Both finished. I'll show you inside. So here it is, the Sportline Black Edition. Tony whistling in the background. So we've got the REIMO pop top and the two-lay omnister awning. So they're factory alloys and coilovers, sidebars, standard with the Black Edition. And this is our Prestige Tourer. So it's a REIMO Variotech 3000. That's the 1205 variation, so a slightly wider three-seater. Makes a nice big bed, very long as well. It's got the Thetford induction hob. And that runs off the Clayton LPS 3000, which is a 160 amp lithium ion battery with a 50 amp AC charger, 50 amp DC charger. This one has 100 watt of solar, and it's got a 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter. So we've got the 42 litre Vitrigo fridge. Then we've got a bank of drawers. We've got the Clayton, and we've got storage underneath the bed, and all around the top with rear speakers. We've got the Webasto diesel multi-controller with a diesel night heater. Let's put some lights up here. So we then have a sprung bed with a nice mattress. And we've got dimming lights in the ceiling. Fast wireless charger. Beautiful American black walnut units all at the top. And we've got a 240 volt and double USB, and then we've got another 240 volt and 12 volt socket. And some beautiful upholstery to match the original Sportline seats, even with the embossing. To match the original. So there we have it. There'll be more pictures and videos to come, but it's a beautiful vehicle. So we'll carry on with a bit of a workshop tour. Got another some water tank being fitted over here. And then over here, follow me. This is where all the magic happens. What we're really known for. We've got a bit of a true craftsman here. Say hi, Vince. Hello. So at the minute he's making some dovetail drawers with a nice kitchen we've made up. All handmade. And then we'll go and see Tony. All those come out of his orifice. So this is our CNC and edge bander, so all of our kitchens are edge banded. So he cuts everything out here and they're assembled in the other room. So we have got a new showroom and carpeting room being done at the minute. It's not quite finished, but we're nearly there. Yeah, thanks for watching. Take care.